If you want to protect a PDF file by giving it a password so that only people with the password are able to open the document, this is the easiest way. And you don't need Adobe Acrobat. This method is free. To do this, go to ChatGPT at chatgpt.com. You'll need to sign in, but you can just use the free account version. Once signed in, open a new chat. This is the PDF file I want to password protect. So I will upload it into the chat. Now we'll write the following prompt. Programmatically insert password protection on this file and make it available for my download. Set the password to Zebra. Set the file name to the original file name plus protected. Zebra is just an example. You can make the password whatever you want. After about 20 seconds, it gives us the password-protected file, and we can click this link here to download the file. Now we'll test it by opening the file it gave us in the browser. Immediately, it prompts us to enter the password before being able to see the document. I'll intentionally enter a wrong password, like dog. And it doesn't open the file. Now we'll enter the correct password, Zebra. And it lets us see the document. You can now send or upload this PDF file and ensure only people with the password are able to open it.